Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying my videos. In today's video, I will teach you how you can animate the logo in Canva. So this is a good skill and you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So let's get started and let's see how you can animate your logo and in very simple step, and it just hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to animate your logo, to create and animate your logo. So first of all, we would like to search animated logo. So it provides us different templates like animated logo, and the standard size of logo is 500 by 500 pixels. So I click on this and it shows me different templates of the logo, and that's it. So I click on create a blank animated hotel and travel logo, but I don't want to create a travel or hotel logo. I want to create a logo for fashion brand. So I think uh, I choose or I create logo according to this niche, fashion niche. So it is loading, it takes some seconds, so let's wait for a bit. So it is loaded. So now I am searching here fashion, and it give me templates according to fashion niche. Yeah, that's great. But we also have some other logos. But I think it's look great. I want to change the background color. Yeah, I like this one. So now we want to animate our logo. So I click on this and click on, wait a second, yes, click on animate, and yeah, I think that's look great. Yes, I play the video, and as you see it look great. uh, our logo animation is looking great and attractive like this. So you can easily create these logo animations in Canva in just easy steps. You can see we create, it hardly takes 2 to 3 minutes to create this logo animation. Now I am going to fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform. So we search here logo animation, so we can check is there is a demand of logo animation or not. So I write here animated logo, animated logo, and I search it, and let's see how much freelancers are giving this service. So as you can see, 12,000 and 335 services available, means 1200 and 335 freelancers are providing this service. So we can analyze one of the gig. So it charges start from $55 and with 184 5-star reviews. So I click on this, and let's analyze the gig of this seller. So in basic it charged $55 and simple animation in full HD. In standard it charged $90, and in premium it charge $130. So I taught you this skill so you can easily earn up to $130 on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So that's it for today. I hope you will like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. You can also check playlist of free Canva designing course on my channel, so you can learn easy skills and earn good money. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.